I'm ready. I think I have everything ready. I'm good. Hello everybody, I'm Elvis Presley. Thank you very much. And I will be singing one of my special songs. Despacito. Oh shoot, wrong song. Have a holly jolly oh shoot, it's not Christmas time. Spooky, scary skeletons. It's not that time either. Jingle bell, jingle bell, rock. It's not that one. Let me think. Comet is my boyfriend. Comet is a god. Comet is a breeze on the weekend. Comet is a relaxing thought. Fortunately, fiesta for you, it's not. Yeah, that's the right one. Sweet like honey, Comet is a cat. Hurrying in my lap as it loves me. One. Flexing like a goddamn acrobat. Me and Comet vibe like that. Welcome to the Elvis Presley Tour. You may see me in many different places. And if you're here live, then you all get to watch me go and sing in all different places. Like here, or here, but not in there.